What I was trying to ask you is all these included, you know, so you go to Olympics after being through all these things, you know.
Well, there are just few of the things which you've named. There are many, much more.
I'm
to
sure,
it.
there are many more.
Yeah.
So does it at some point, you know, play in your head, like you fought,
Of
you have had to
course,
train here, Ashwini has to train in Bangalore.
Course, right?
And you've had to fight for a coach, like you said, and all these things, and so then go for Olympics.
Let's talk about people who have won the medal. What all they had to go through? I really would like to know. You know, parents, yes, parents. My parents have also worked hard. My dad used to try. We never had a car. We never had four-wheeler. Till I was 18, I never had a four-wheeler. You know, just because I was 18, I was playing well. My dad didn't want me to, you know, meet with an accident. Even a small fall could you know, hamper my practice. So he bought me a car. We bought a second-hand car, you know, so that I am safe that way. But we never had a car. We used to travel 100 kilometers on Priya scooter. I can say a lot of things. My parents have worked really hard. My dad's salary was 5,000, you know, take-home salary was 5,000 rupees, and our house rent was 5,000 rupees. Did I say that? Everybody goes through such hardships. Yeah. But we talk about people only, you know, when somebody wins a medal. Oh, you know, parents. Everybody, every sports person, a child who is probably playing the state championships, even their parents are working hard. That's the truth. But from there, how does the system encourage a player? That's very important.
Right.
That we should talk about. You know?
Right.
And for me, sadly, I don't know, people have always tried to pull me down for no reason. Or maybe because I speak my mind. And that's the only thing I can think about. Otherwise, I don't think I have any personal...
Yeah, because you've become like the face who will speak.
So how is it wrong? Don't we tell our child, don't we teach our child, if you're hungry, you should speak. Otherwise, how will I know you're hungry? If you're sleepy, you should tell your mother. Then I'll put you to sleep. Or if I don't want you to sleep, then I'll find a way. But then you have to see it.
But have you ever felt, Jwala, that it's worked against you?
It's definitely worked against me. It's definitely worked. But this is me. I can't change for nobody. You know? Or maybe now I'll have to start learning. Or I know, Rupam, ye janam mein to hoga nahi. That I cannot change. For, you know, or I definitely cannot change my personality. This is in my nature. This is my personality. Maybe next janam, maybe I should, you know, try to be more, to try and sweet talk and stuff, but I cannot do it. Somehow in our country, we have this image of a sports person, especially if she's a woman. She should be focused. She cannot have colored hair. She cannot wear makeup. She cannot have a manicure. I love nails. I love getting my manicure done. So she shouldn't be a fashion icon. She shouldn't wear